Alright everybody, let's take a look at this market report for 92376, 91730, and 92410. So as you can see, we have 92376 with the blue, and we'll go ahead and take a look at that, and we'll compare it versus 91730 zip code. That way you can get an idea of what's going on in the market over the last 3 years. And one of the good things, the best way to measurement, let's go ahead and show you one of the best ways of measuring sales price. So you can see 92376 has an average sales price of $360,000, and 91730 has an average sales price of $471,500. Now these zip codes are literally 10 miles apart from each other, but you can see that both of them have been increasing over the past 3 years. But one has been increasing at significantly almost double the rate than the other one. So it really does matter where you buy your real estate. So location can affect the appreciation value of your property and how quickly it appreciates. So you can see that both of them are appreciating at a good value. 5.59% increase from year over year for 3 years versus 0.991.7 or 9.7 percent. So let's go ahead and add another zip code, and we're going to go ahead and add just for the entire MLS. This is going to give you an idea of how we're doing on average. So you can see here that the median sales price on average for the entire MLS or the entire state of California is $565,000. So you can see that we're in the Inland Empire here. We are below average for the most part in California. Now we're going to go ahead and add another zip code, or we're going to go ahead and add Los Angeles, the city of Los Angeles, so you get an idea of how much Los Angeles is appreciating over the Inland Empire and at what rate it's appreciating at. So you can see that the green line represents Los Angeles, and the rate, this is the sales price. Now this is all measured. Right now we're talking median sales price, which is the average sales price in the house. Now the average sales price is 2019 is $932,500. As you can see, that's an incredible amount, almost double the median sales price of Rancho Cucamonga, which is 91730, or Rialto, which is 92376. These are in the Inland Empire, cities in the Inland Empire. So 12.3% is an incredible amount. And as you can see, that rate has been appreciating over 3 years. So you can see that in 2016, if you were to buy a house, you would be paying $659,000 for that house. And on average, if you were to buy a house today, the same house, let's average out, you would be paying $932,500. So if you bought your house in 2016, this is an average, you would have appreciated almost $300,000 in equity in your property. So you can see what the advantage is in buying a house. And I can remember people in 2016 anticipating the market crashing and falling and wanting to wait before they bought that property. But as you can see that, property is appreciating over time. Now does that say it's going to always appreciate? No. But you can see that it's appreciated significantly over a short period of time. So let's go ahead and continue. And let's look at something else. Let's look at closed sales. So the comparison between these are ridiculous. So let's go ahead and just compare the Inland Empire 92376 with 91730. So you can see the amount of closed sales, volume sales. So here we can see that let's go take a look at this.